Hi all, welcome back. So today is 18th October 2022 and markets are almost already closed for the day actually. So let us try to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty and charts and see how it has moved today, and also let's try to give a prediction or an expectation what it can do tomorrow or rest of the week. So let me go to the charts directly. So let me go to Nifty chart first. Okay, so here this is the drawings that we have drawn in from last two videos, right? From Sunday, we have analyzed all the points in this Nifty chart, and we have given from Sunday itself, we started saying that Nifty is more likely to go to above that 6th October day high. So this is what we were trying to say from last two videos, and as we expected, that move has came today, and they have traded above that 6th October day high. So I hope you have seen those two videos, so that if you watch those two videos, you will be understanding why we have given that explanation, and why we have expected that it will trade or it will go above the 6th October day high. So I request you to kindly watch any of those videos, like either Sunday 16th October video or 17th October video, so that you will understand why we have given that expectation from the Nifty chart. And even yesterday I have mentioned that even if there is some selling also, they should get that support here and they should go from there to break that 6th October high. So the opening itself, they have opened above that 6th October high. So that itself has done our move. So I hope you watch those two videos, and you will understand why we are expecting that on the Nifty chart. So for now, since our move is completed, right? Whatever the move that we are expecting from last 2 days or last weekend, from Saturday or Sunday, that has completed now, and Nifty has traded above that 6th October day high. So let me remove everything so that we can see a clear candle again, I mean clear chart again, and let's try to see what it is doing now and what it can do tomorrow or rest of the week. Okay, so I'm removing each drawing and I'm keeping the levels as is, main levels as is, because I don't want to draw it again and again, because those levels are still active for some time. So let's see how Nifty, because this is the way. Okay, let me go to daily time frame once, then only you can understand it. So this is the daily time frame, right? So in daily time frame, what we are seeing, there is an M pattern, and even after breaking out that M pattern, the buyers are trying to go up again. And today they have traded above that 6th October. This is the 6th October candle, right? If I zoom here, you will understand. So this is the 6th October. So in simple, I can tell that this is a swing high for us in Nifty. So swing high is broken now, and it closed above that swing high. So that is a good sign for the buyers now. Okay, but it is a sign for the buyers, but it is not the confirmation still, because if you zoom the candle, so the candle, if you observe the candle itself, if you observe the candle itself, it is telling that opening is above that level and closing is also somewhere here, which is almost midpoint of the day range. You understood my point, I think. So closing of the candle or closing of the today is happened almost between or at the midpoint of the day range. So closing is not strong in favor of buyers or strong in favor of sellers. So it is a midpoint in the day range of the day range, and it closed there. So okay, somewhat it is better sign for the buyers, but we have to wait if we want to take any long position or long positional trades. So if you want to have a 1 week or 2 week positions, then better you wait for a few more days and see how it is behaving here, because okay, now they have closed it, but tomorrow there may be some sort of selling, or they may try to fill this gap, because today if you zoom here again, there is a huge gap up opening, right? So maybe tomorrow or this week they may try to fill this gap, or next week again they may try to fill this gap. So they may try. I will not tell that they will try it definitely, but there is a chance. So we have to wait and see, are they looking to fill that gap or not? Then only we can think about the opinion whether it will go up from here only, or it will spend some time here, or it will go down here. So this is only a starting point here. So by from today only it gave a signal. So we have to, the buyers should be ready to take their positions, and based upon the price action here. So in the daily time frame, we are seeing that a good sign for the buyers for now, and it has closed above the swing high. Okay, so that is one point here in the daily time frame. So as I let me go to 5 minute time frame also and see. So 5 minute time frame, as I was mentioning, this level, this blue color line, that is around 17,430. Roughly, we can take it as 17,500 round figure. Sorry, not 17,500, something around 17,450 roughly. Okay, but overall, this level we have to keep still, and we have to see how it is behaving tomorrow. There are 2 points here. One is this level, which has traded above now, and another one is this gap also. So how they will look here, I mean, my main focus is this gap also. I will plot this gap. Okay, so let me change the color, you will understand it clearly. So this blue line is the gap. So this is also a key level now, because it has already trading above that. But still, if any case, if any global news or any negative news comes up tomorrow, if there is any selling interest is shown in the Nifty, then this is the level where it should take the support, or the next support is this one only. If it breaks this level, 6th October high day high, it may fall down and it may fill this gap and will take the support here. And after taking support, we have to see how it is behaving here. Then only we can decide what it will try to move up or down from there. So this is the key level. And another key level here is today it got rejected. It means zoom here, you will understand. Okay, so this is the today's chart, right? So what happened today, they went up to this point. What is that point? Around 17,500 or 520 actually, but round figure we can consider it as 17,500. So this 17,500 today's high is a important level for tomorrow intraday positions, and this one is important for the intraday, mean that is 17,450, and next level is 17,330. So I hope these three levels will be the very important for tomorrow intraday players, right? Today's high and 6th October high, or you can say simply say is today's low also, but because it is both are same at the same level, so I was mentioning in that way. But if you want the numbers itself, one is 17,500 and next one is 17,400 and next one is 17,300. So these three levels are very important for tomorrow intraday players. And positional traders, I have explained you that it is better to wait for 1 or 2 days, or at least wait until this week completes and see how that week closing happens here, and then only you can plan, or you can think about whether to be on the longer side or the shorter side. So okay, so for now, in the positional traders, it is a neutral, though it is a buying sign, but still, I will say it as a neutral only. Wait for a few more days and see how it is behaving now, and then only you can plan. And coming to the intraday for tomorrow itself, I have plotted the levels also. That is 17,500, 17,400, and 17,300. So these three levels will be very crucial for tomorrow's intraday position. So that is what we are seeing in the Nifty now. Okay, so let me go to Bank Nifty also, so that we will see what is happening there. So in Bank Nifty, Okay, here also the move which we have expected from Sunday, it has completed yesterday itself. On Monday only they have closed above that 6th October high. So we have removed all the drawings that we have drawn on Sunday. So now here what happened? It was a gap up opening. As I mentioned yesterday only that maybe Bank Nifty also may move in favor. I mean, along with the Nifty, there might be some buying here. But important point I mentioned I highlighted yesterday is, so they have closed yesterday itself. The closing of the Bank Nifty is very good. They have given us a buy signal, right? And yesterday itself, I mentioned it clearly that we need to make sure that it comes down or retest this level, and then only if it going up from here, we should enter our position somewhere in this place. So we should enter our position somewhere in this place. So that is what we have discussed yesterday. So as expected, there was some buying along with the Nifty, but the candle, as I mentioned in the Nifty, so candle is is not very strong in buying, or it is not showing as very strong in this selling also. It is a almost like a doji candle. So if you see the spike above the body of the candle and spike below of the body of the candle, it's almost same and no clue. Okay, so I hope they may come down from here and they may try to retest this level, because we highlighted this level because of this 19th August high. And I explained you why we have plotted this, because from this is the level from where Bank Nifty fell down, and this is the level where once it broken, it went up to all-time high. So this is a key level for us now. And yesterday itself, they gave a strong closing above that level. But yesterday I mentioned, though it is a strong closing here, we have to wait and see. And with the better uh, uh, movement that we can be confident is it should come down and it should retest it, and it should start going up towards the all-time high. So that will be the better confirmation for us to take the long position confidently. So as I mentioned Nifty today, so today what I'm mentioning on Nifty, though there is a signal that it closed above that 6th October high, let's wait for some days or some time, 1 or 2 days, and then see how it is behaving here. Then only we can plan it for buying. So same way in Bank Nifty, we have to wait for 1 or 2 days and we have to see if there is any selling. And if that selling is coming up to the sale level, and is this level giving support now or not? So that is a very important point. So for long term positional traders, if anyone, if you have any long positional traders, if you want to take any position, as I mentioned, just wait and try to at least look for this kind of pattern. It may not be coming up to the same level or make taking support immediately. It may not be happening in the same pattern, but at least it's similar to it. And then only you can plan for the long positional trades. And let me go to the lower time frame and see how it is behaving, so that we can plan for the intraday position for tomorrow. Okay, so coming to this here also, same as Nifty, there is a huge gap up opening today. And so there is no, what I can tell. So this is the gap low, and this is the today's low, right? I will draw it. So this is the today's low from where it took support, and they went up to that point. So still, what I can tell here is, I will remove this. This is the gap low. So tomorrow they may fill this gap. Okay, they may fill this gap, and this is the level where it got rejected multiple times today. Okay, I will draw in this way. So first 5 minute candle got rejected at that level, and then they tried it during around 10:30. They got rejected, and finally they managed to grow up, but that also did not spend much time above that level, and immediately they fell down. And again, at the end of the day, almost closing the day, they rejected again. So this is the level. It is very crucial for the intraday players. Okay, for intraday who want to be taking their positions or planning their trades for tomorrow, I hope you can consider this level as key level. And this is the gap down here, gap low actually. So maybe tomorrow they may spend some time in this zone and they may fill this gap. So that is what we are seeing in the bank Nifty. So Nifty, we have got three levels. Okay, Nifty, we have got 17,500, 17,400 and 17,300. But in bank Nifty, we have only two levels for now. So this is the level where it got rejected multiple times today. So maybe tomorrow also it may be giving some sort of resistance. And if it breaks this level and if it gets retested and if it gets support and it is going up, then it may be a different scenario. But for now, what I can tell here is mostly there is a chance that bank Nifty may be in this zone. It may fall up to this level also, but okay, whatever our to be on a positive side, just we expect to fill this gap only, not beyond that. Okay, so two levels in the bank Nifty, that is 14,350 and another one is 40, which is this one is 40,350 and the gap low is around 40,000. So these two levels will be the key levels for tomorrow intraday players. So I hope this explanation is helpful for your analysis also. So kindly let me know if it is really helpful for you or if you need any more detailed information, or if you have any doubts also, kindly let me know in the comment section. I will try to clear all your doubts in the coming videos. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for your time. Bye.